slippery little bastard. But I got you now.
Please, please, show some compassion. Please.
Strauss told me you needed a beating. You saying he was right?
What will that solve?
We took your word. Now we'll take your hide. Now, wouldn't paying up have been a little easier? Pay the money, you'll make this stop. Your dad's caught you, mister. And it ain't letting go. How's that debt looking now? Pay the money. If I'm here, there's a reason I'm here. If you'd been good, this wouldn't be happening.
Please, please, no.
You borrowed money from my business partner, Herr Strauss. You owe him, you took the money. He wants it back, what's not to understand? Where's our money?
I don't have it.
Sell your place.
We already owe more than it's worth.
Then sell your wife, or your family, or something. We ain't your idea of charity. Is that clear?
Thomas!
What are you looking at?
Thomas!
I said what you looking at, woman.
My husband isn't well. If we could just have more...
Like I said, we ain't nobody's idea of charity. Get us the money.